These are the 2 horse barns, and it has enough room here inside for, we had 12 horses, 6 horses very comfortably. That was a chicken coop. And here's a pan of the 5 acres. About 4 acres of it is meadow, looking at the Connecticut River Valley. And let's take a quick tour of the house. We've been mowing the lawns here all day long. We haven't been over here in a month. Now this is an outdoor porch. You go into a couple of the old in-between rooms before you enter the kitchen. And it's an old-fashioned kitchen. We have a gas stove, refrigerator. Have a working old-fashioned wood cook stove. And then off the kitchen here is, I think about 10 years ago was built. The sunroom with views. Really nice place to and the views out the windows. This is wind power up on the hill. The Balsams is in that valley below the wind turbines. Come over to the window here, give you a view out here. Pretty spectacular views here. And now we'll make our way back through the kitchen. There's a little porch out to the dog yard in the front and the 600-acre meadows across the street. You're going to come into, I don't know what you would call these rooms here. We used it as an office. Here's a wood stove, all functional. Everything works. There's a beautiful, another nice room. We finished wood floors. They kept the rustic look, obviously. But you got, again, exceptional views of sort of the savanna surroundings. So pretty much any time of day, light is really coming into this farmhouse. A lot of the old farmhouses, that's not real. Here's a downstairs, the one downstairs bedroom. I don't know, it looks to be about 14 by 12. The downstairs bathroom, well, it only comes with one bathroom. The old clawfoot stove. Some great views again. Washer and dryer. And making our way upstairs. Into the upstairs, I guess it was sitting room or living room with 2 small bedrooms which could be easily opened up into, break out that wall there and turn it into a larger bedroom. We've been using it as storage. And this area right in here, we were going to put another bathroom in, and there's space for that. And then here you have another bedroom. We used it as a bedroom. We just got done painting it a while ago. With a storage room out here. And again, more views of the outside landscape.